We can pass any number of arguments to our Node application by appending them after Node invocation. Arguments can either be standalone or key-value pairs. In current Node.js, it's a standard to use double dash before key-value pair. Passed-in arguments are made available via Node.js process object, which is a default Node object and does not need importing. Process object exposes argv property, which is an array of all the passed-in arguments as strings. In this array, the first element is an absolute path of a node interpreter. The second element is an absolute path to the current file. The rest of the elements are passed-in arguments. As the process argv property is an array, we can use standard array methods like slice, map, filter, and so on. To access only passed-in arguments, we can create a copy of this array, excluding first two elements using slice. If the passed-in argument is a standalone argument, we can simply access it. And if it is a key-value pair, we need to parse it first. We can use array map to create a new array of parsed arguments. We know an argument is a key-value argument if it has two dashes at the start. In that case, we get rid of the double dash and split the remainder between equal symbol. The first element will be key, and the second element will be value. We can use array destructuring to extract these elements, like so, and return it as an object. If the argument is a standalone, we return it like so, because we do not have a key. This will return an array of parsed arguments. To make argument extraction simpler, we can use a third-party package called Minimist. First we install it using npm. We require it in our Node application and pass it an argument array. And this is how we accept command line arguments in Node.js.